Hi friends, in this video I'm going to talk about drawing lifelike details. Drawing realistic hands can be a challenging yet rewarding endeavor for artists seeking to enhance their skills. Hands are intricate structures with numerous details, and capturing their realism requires attention to proportions, anatomy, and shading. In this guide, we will explore a step-by-step approach to help you master the art of drawing realistic hands. Begin by familiarizing yourself with the anatomy of the hand. Study the proportions of the palm, fingers, and joints. Pay close attention to the bone structure and how muscles connect, as this knowledge will serve as the foundation for realistic drawing. Start with loose gestural sketches to capture the overall pose and movement of the hand. Focus on the basic shapes and proportions before diving into intricate details. This initial step sets the foundation for more accurate representation. Use the natural proportions of the hand as a guide. Pay attention to the relationships between the different parts, the length of the fingers in relation to the palm, the spacing between joints, and the overall size of the hand. Accurate proportions are crucial for achieving realism. Divide hand into manageable sections. Begin by sketching the basic shapes of the palm and each finger individually. This step-by-step approach allows you to focus on smaller details without feeling overwhelmed. Include subtle details like wrinkles, creases, and skin texture to enhance realism. Pay attention to the areas where the skin naturally folds, especially around the joints. These finer details add authenticity to your drawing. Gradually refine your drawing by adding more intricate details. Focus on the fingernails, knuckles, and subtle variations in skin tone. Take your time to ensure precision and don't be afraid to revisit areas that may need adjustments. So grab your sketchbook and embark on the journey to master the intricacies of drawing realistic hands.